Today I will tell you about the daily maintenance precautions of TWT375T-12T. According to the air compressor's working environment and working conditions, the air filter surface should be cleaned regularly. The cleaning steps are as follows. Remove the main air filter from the air filter housing, tap the filter element to shake off the dust on the filter element, and do not take out the safety filter element. Or you can use dry compressed air with a pressure of no more than 5 kilograms to blow from the inside to the outside. Generally, the normal use time of the air filter is 500 hours. It is recommended to shorten the replacement cycle if the working conditions are relatively bad. Regarding the diesel oil-water separator, regularly discharge the condensed water and impurities at the bottom of the observation cup to maintain the cleanliness of the diesel. Place a small bottle at the bottom of the observation cup. Loosen the drain valve until the clean diesel is discharged, then tighten the drain valve. Next, open the exhaust screw until diesel flows out and tighten it again. If the oil-water separator has been used for a short while, impurities will appear in the observation cup. It is recommended to clean the fuel tank thoroughly. Regarding the discharge of condensate from the air compressor, condensate will be precipitated when the compressor is working, most of which will be discharged with the compressed air, and a small part will be mixed with the screw oil and precipitated at the bottom of the oil and gas tank. Under normal circumstances, the condensate inside the air compressor needs to be discharged once a week or 50 hours. Regarding the engine lubricating oil, under normal circumstances, the oil level is between the lowest and highest scales. If the oil is lower than the lowest level, it must be replenished. The engine will consume oil during normal operation, and it is necessary to avoid too little oil affecting the internal lubrication of the engine. After stopping, wait for all the gas inside the oil and gas tank to be discharged, and then observe its level. If the screw oil is lower than the lowest level, it must be replenished. Regarding the fan belt, the tightness and surface wear of the fan belt should be checked regularly. If the belt is worn, cracked, or damaged, it should be replaced in time. Avoid the overall high temperature of the air compressor due to belt damage. Regarding the radiator surface and the heat sink air guide groove should be checked and cleaned regularly to avoid blockage caused by debris, dust, oil stains, and floccules, which will affect the heat dissipation effect. In addition, each pipe joint valve and seal should be checked regularly to see if there is any looseness, abnormality, oil leakage, water leakage, etc. It is also necessary to regularly check each electrical component and wiring harness for any abnormalities such as looseness and poor contact.